reviewing two different spray tops. So these are my favorite cleaning spray bottles and the brand from doTERRA, and it's their Abode line, and this is their concentrated cleaner. So when you buy this, one of these goes into their spray bottle. But the one thing that we've been having issues with is like once the spray top goes, it's like, I don't want to throw away this cool bottle and the fact that it's got the silicone bottom. Like, what can I use as far as a replacement top? And when you're looking on Amazon, it can become overwhelming as far as what tops to buy. And I like the cleaner because A, it's used with, pure essential oils. So I know that it's a nice clean product. I like that it's a concentrate. So it's really easy to just buy these little glass bottles, pour the contents in there and recycle. And it works on glass. It works on all your surfaces and it smells good. Like, that's the other thing. And I don't want endocrine disrupting chemicals cleaning my surfaces in my home. So this is my choice. Plus it's pet safe. So back to the spray tops. So this one top that I bought is by Sally's Organics, and it was just one spray top in the container. And then as far as how it sprays, I use one of my dirty freeze dryer sheets because I just finished doing some cauliflower. And so right now I have it on the wide spray pattern. Well, actually it's on off. Let me turn it to the wide spray pattern. So that's, about your spray pattern. And then you've got off and you've got more of a streak. So then you can kind of see that. I would stick to the wide spray one with this one. So definitely more heavy duty. And as far as continual spray, it seems to be doing well. And then even as far as the mist, it seems like I can pump it pretty good and it's going. Okay, so that's the single spray top. Now this other one, which is by Mad Holly, you get a whole pack of spray tops. And so really long, they've actually got a non-clogger here at the bottom. So if you think you have some residue, and obviously you would want to trim this. So you can pull this end off, or you could pull it off the top part, measure it to your bottle and then trim off that extra. This one, a little bit narrower design in comparison. Like you can see there's a little difference there between the two tops. So with this one, it's like a garden hose where you're going to adjust this to get your spray pattern. This one, you can kind of, it's kind of hard to see it, but it's got kind of a little bit different spray pattern. And the more you loosen it, you get a stream. And then the more you tighten it, you can get more of the fan. But again, for the most part, it seems to pump pretty good. But if I had to choose between the two, this single one definitely has a stronger spray and is more consistent than the pack of spray nozzles. So depending on what you want to spend your money on, both work. But I do think that this one's going to be more reliable. And these are just going to have to play with your spray nozzle a little bit to get the right pattern and the right spray. But otherwise, they work great as far as, replacing those spray tops on your spray bottles.